Hi guys, welcome to week 3. Okay, so as you can see, excuse me, I have started to explain to ChatGPT that we are continuing this experiment. I've tried to give it as much information as possible so it doesn't pick the same trades, and it actually looks at the market and tries to analyze and pick trades based on its analysis. So without further ado, let's click go and see what it comes up with. So, as you can see, it's starting to process things. Hold on. I need to just change this to this week. Just going through it. Yes. Okay, great. So let's click go. It's just going to analyze. It says, sure, let me help with that. So it's interesting. I have been looking at another AI, and I think I'm going to start incorporating it from week 5. So hold on. It looks very similar to the last time it ticked these traits. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just make sure that it's not. So I'm just going to ask it if it's the same or not. So let's see. Let's see gold. I'm just trying to work out. I'm going to go look back, but I'm pretty sure it's very similar to things that it picks. Let's just see. Was this the same as your first week pick? Let's see what it says. Okay, so it's checking. That's what it was. Its first week. Let's have a look. Okay, it is different. Okay, so we're going to go with it. But like I said, for week 4 or maybe week 5, I'm going to get into a far more sophisticated AI, which is going to be able to hopefully give us stop loss and paid profits. So stay tuned, and hopefully we're going to recoup some of our losses this week. So guys, I'm just going to be executing the trades that ChatGPT has picked. I'm also going to be taking the position of the 5 trades that I've picked. So let's start off with gold. Just to let you guys know, I think going forward, instead of just making you guys watch me typing in each one of these trades, I'm basically gonna I'm going to just maybe take a position so you can see them. By the way, because ChatGPT and myself think that gold is going to go up, I've taken a double position on gold, as you can see it. So I've taken nearly £20,000 because we are both bullish on gold. With AstraZeneca, I'm taking a £10,000 position. So just bear that in mind. If you only see 9 trades in there, it's because me and ChatGPT have both gone long on gold. So hopefully that's going to work out nicely. Let's just put in the index for the SP 500. And as mentioned previously, we are spread betting because it's tax-free. So I'm putting in per point. But if you guys just want to make sure the value is correct, so for example, with the Euro USD, as I'm typing in 0.93, if you can just see us showing £10,079. So it's close enough. It's not exactly 10, but it's close enough. Please do let me know in the comments section if you guys just want me to put the trades down and talk through it more quickly. And also, if you do like this channel, please give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to us. Okay, so we got smashed on the cryptos. I'm trying to think if we should keep allowing open positions on cryptos because they are quite volatile. And if I don't start doing a stop loss and take profit, I will start to look to maybe remove cryptos because they can be quite volatile. But again, we'll probably try to incorporate that going into week 5. So I'm going along with the CAC because of the events going on in France. I do feel that there's a good chance that it can recover from its loss. I had a bit of a loss with Rolls-Royce. It's pulled back a bit, and then it's quite a strong trade. So I'm going to go along with Rolls-Royce, and hopefully that's going to give him some profit. I'm quite bullish on the pound and the US dollar, weakening, and this is another reason why I've gone long on gold as well. So I'm going long on the cable because I do feel that it is going to recoup the pound. Bitcoin, as you can see, I'm taking a position. I do think Bitcoin has dropped significantly, and there's a real good chance that it's going to start hitting the 63,000. So let's see how that goes, and hopefully we'll make the losses that we make there. So keep tuned. Hopefully, let's see what happens this week. And as you can see, we are still below that £100,000 start that we did. Yes, let's see what happens. Hi guys, it's midweek and I'm just giving you a quick update on what's been going on. As you can see, cryptos have gone into a profit. I hope that continues so we can recoup some of those losses. So is Ethereum and Bitcoin that literally shot up. I'm still hoping that it would hit that 63,000 mark. The CAC 40, I was hoping would go up based on more stability in France, but we still got to the end of the week. Unfortunately, the Rolls-Royce did not play out, and it's still taken a drop. So we've still got to the end of the week to see what happens. We are currently in profit, which is great. But we've got a long way to go to recoup back to our 100,000, and also I'm doing this in terms of making sure to test to make money, not just to make back our losses. But yes, stay tuned. Hopefully by the end of the week this figure is going to be higher, and we're going to get closer to our 100,000 that we started off with. Please give this video a like if you're enjoying these. Hi guys, welcome back. It's Friday and we are in a decent profit. The cryptos didn't really go higher, but a little bit. Actually, Ethereum's done better than Bitcoin. So kudos to ChatGPT. The shares, AstraZeneca's done well. So I think ChatGPT's done well this week. We're going to start closing out our positions. The CAC 40 actually recovered as well, which is great. Gold's gone up, which is great. The Rolls-Royce unfortunately let me down. Out of the last 10 trades that we took, we only had 2 losses, and the major one was Rolls-Royce. So hopefully I will need to recoup and do my analysis better. I would have exited with a stop loss. So stay tuned. I'm going to go back sell out TDES. Hey guys, so welcome to the Excel, which is basically a roundup of what's happened for that week. As you can see, week 3 we are in profit, which is great, and ChatGPT has kind of kicked my butt. It's done a £782.35 profit, and I've done £381. As you can see, it's only had one loss of £57 on the Euro USD, and my one loss was on Rolls-Royce. And so, we've basically got 4 out of 5 trades correct and in profit. It's a shame that I'm not using stop losses. If I had, I would have definitely exited that Rolls-Royce share before. I've beaten ChatGPT on the last 2 weeks, and I've started to do a total so we can keep an eye on. I'm just fixing it so we can see. So as you can see, I'm still beating ChatGPT. It's beaten me this week, but let's see how it goes, and let's see how this experiment goes. We are still away from our £100,000 that we started off with, but hopefully in the following weeks, we're going to get closer and start hitting a profit.